This is my Cub Cadet ZT2, a 54-inch mower. It's got the fabricated deck on it. There's 3 blades in there. It's got the wider tires on it, LED headlights, and this one has the Kawasaki FR691V engine on it with the upgraded transmissions where you can change the oil on the transmissions. They're serviceable. Overall, this thing has been awesome. I cut about an acre of grass 2 times a week, probably about only 6 months out of the year. They use this for personal use, not commercial use or nothing. All I've done on this thing, changing the blades and changing the oil. Other than that, this thing has been awesome. Knock on wood. I haven't had any issues with it. One of my main concerns about a lawnmower is I see a lot of mowers with ripped up seats and stuff. This is the original seat on it. No tears, no rips. I keep this thing in the garage, so that probably plays a toll on that, but this thing stays clean. All I do is blow it off with a leaf blower every time I'm done cutting the grass. This thing's not rusted or anything. Like, there's no leaks, or this thing's in really good shape. It's got the original battery in it also, so that's really cool. I take the battery out every winter. I just disconnect it and set it on a piece of wood. Yeah, original battery, everything. No, I haven't replaced nothing on this, just the oil and the blades. I replaced the blades 3 times, so every other year I go through blades, but I run over sticks and stuff. I don't always pick up all the sticks and stuff in the yard. I pick up the bigger ones, obviously, but I don't care. I just run stuff over. So, but yeah, this thing's held up for that. I should probably check the belts and stuff, but everything looks pretty good. It's a really good machine. I would definitely get one again. But yeah, this is my ZT2 54-inch. If you guys want to see any of the videos or anything on it, just let me know. I'm making videos just to practice editing and just build my YouTube channel. So please subscribe, like, comment. I'm working on this 1964 Ford Falcon, full restoration. I put a new video about this every single Sunday. So if you're into lawnmowers, you're into cars, I got a Polaris Ranger also that I'm doing videos on. So, drop a subscribe, like, comment, and check out all my other videos. So thank you guys for watching.